Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to add ChatGPT to Excel. Let us begin. If you want to use any AI tools such as AI extraction, AI ask, AI choice, and more tools, we cannot because they are not available. Let us check. If you type equal AI, no AI tools are available. Let us add them to Excel. Navigate to Insert tab, go to Get Add-ins. Here write ChatGPT, search. Here we have ChatGPT for Excel. Click on Add, continue. As you can see here, ChatGPT is added to the ribbon. Now we can use any AI tool. Equal AI. Here we have many tools. If you wish to know how to use AI tools, check the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.